This wallet is completely hand-sewn heavy canvas, 100% cotton fiber. Seams were gracefully backstitched in the interval of 5 threads per stitch with twisted cotton threads, then hemmed with buttonholes stitched all the way around the edges. The pattern is a simple 220 by 220mm square. Excluding the 10mm seam allowance on each side, this will result in a 20 by 80mm pocket with a cover flap, which can accommodate pretty much everything from credit card and business card and any standard size bills of any nationality, but do feel free to adjust this dimension to your preference. Wallet is covered shut with flap, then folded in half. This will ensure that contents will not fall out as long as the wallet is kept folded in the pocket. This wallet is in fact sewn from 2 pieces of canvas instead of 1. 2 pieces were used out of necessity here, as I was strictly limited with the scrap pieces left from other projects. Following the 1-piece pattern will only make this design much more compact in widths. For leather, consider using this pattern. As a matter of fact, building this wallet with leather is much quicker and easier, as leather does not require hemming. All you need to do is folding and stitching the pocket. It actually took me more time hemming than stitching the pieces together.